Hey guys, here are some things I like to take on a road trip just in case. So first, always, I like to take tools. In this case, I have a socket and ratchet set with some wrenches. If you can get some pliers in there, they're always helpful. The more tools you have on a road trip, the better to be prepared. So, but at least have something. Next, water. Water is very important. You can go without food for a while, but without water, you can't go too long. So I always like to bring some extra water. A light is very important because things usually go bad at night when you need to work on something, and it's good to have a light so you can actually see. Then I like to bring some foil tape because this is great for patching up some holes. Sometimes you get hoses that leak. You just need to get to the next stop, and this will be enough to get you by. Foil tape works great. Then we have a jump starter and air compressor all in one, which is awesome. So if you need to jump start your battery because your battery died, or if you need to get air in your tires because you have low tires, or if you need to charge something up, you could also, plug stuff in to charge up your cell phone right here, which is, everybody's got a cell phone these days. That's always helpful. So that's a great tool. You want to have coolant. This is very important. Also other fluids, oil, brake fluid, things like that. If you have power steering fluid. And then finally, paper towel, so when you make a mess, you can clean up. So those are my road trip essentials.